Melanie Missin. I'm a British mixed media textile artist. I'm based in Cambridgeshire and I love working with textiles of any form, but especially block prints at this moment in time. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really lovely flower, which has been made with my Colouricious block prints, which is this one and this lovely one. And all I have used is some interfacing, some acrylic paints, some free motion stitching, a little bit of glue, some flower wire, and Bob's your uncle, you have a lovely flower. Now I'm going to show you the materials that we need to make this gorgeous flower. Firstly, like I said before, we need a nice heart-shaped block print. We need the circular bit, which will be the centre of the flower. We need some acrylic paints, which we'll be using on the jelly plate. I just dab a little bit of paint on there, and then I use my roller to roll it out flat. Then I can pop my block print down nice and neatly, just rock it gently to make sure all the paint is on it, and then proceed to put it onto my material. The material that I've used here is craft Vilene, so it's a heavier weight Vilene, just gives it more stability. Okay, so once I've done that, I now have my block print, and I allow this to dry, but obviously because we're doing a dry one today, it's all dry and done ready for me. But allow it to dry, because then we're going to use some watercolour paints, and then we just paint over the heart with the watercolours. Again, allow to dry. Once that is dry, I then stitch it. So you can see on the back here, this has been stitched using free motion machining, but you can equally do it by hand. And in fact, you get a nice texture when you do it by hand as well, because it's a nice raised effect. Once that is complete, I then use, this is some floristry wire, which has already been covered, but I'm going to cover it again shortly. But what I'm going to do with it is just make a couple of holes here so that I can pass the wire through. And as you can see, if I just bend it like that, you can see that it's gone through one and come out the other. And then I've just stitched it using a satin stitch. Again, you can do this by hand. It's probably a bit easier. You're less likely to break your sewing machine needles. Once I've done that, I just fold the wire. Okay, so now it's like that. And you can, if you wish, just gently twist it, but it's a bit difficult because the wire's quite strong. So all I need to do now is make another 3 of these, and once I've done that, I put them all together using, this is floristry tape. Okay, it's quite sticky and it's a bit bendy as well, elastic. And all I do with that is I'm going to put that on there and then cover, bearing in mind I will have 4 of them here right now. I will cover it like so, just keep twisting that around until you get to the bottom. Okay, once that is done, I then use this block print to make my centerpiece, again on the craft wire, exactly the same process as I just showed you, and then that will be glued on into the center, and that's how we complete our flower. But you can also add another one of these and make it into the leaf. Okay?
And I'm going to nod.
Now you understand the stages of making the flower, I just want to tell you finally, we have used the same block print for the leaf, and that has been put on exactly the same way as when I did the 4 petals originally. So we've just covered the wire, then we've placed it together with this, and then we have used the tape again to hold it all together. And then what I've done is I have used some glitter paints and some metallic paints. You can do whatever you like, make it your own. You can put beads on it, put more stitch on it, and finally I have just put some varnish on it, which is the clear gloss very quick drying varnish. Again, that just gives it the rigidity, and you could actually probably have them outside. So wouldn't that be nice to have a load of these flowers sitting on your picnic table or something in the summertime? Or how about a nice wedding, something like that. So here we go. You go and make yourself some beautiful flowers with your own beautiful blocks that you've got at home. And I hope you have fun with it. As a textiles tutor, I would be delighted to come and do a workshop with you and show you some other things to do with our block prints. I am very, very happy to be part of the Colouricious holiday team as a tour leader, and I will be going to India very soon. So if you'd like to come with me, have a look on the Colouricious website. It will tell you exactly what will be going on and what we'll be doing. It will be amazing, I know, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. So please get in touch. Either way, I would love to hear from you. Have fun, sit, sew, create. So now you've seen how this is done, I hope that you will now go and have a go yourself. I'm sure you've got some block prints at home that you probably haven't used yet. I was the same. So get on and have a go with them. It's so much fun. Doesn't take that long to do, and you get something really lovely out of it. You can also contact me if you would like, and I can come and show you how to do it all over again. I do lots of workshops outside of where I am, so come and invite me if you would like. And also, I have to tell you that because I'm now part of the Colouricious team, which is absolutely wonderful, I'm so excited that I've been asked to go and do a holiday with them in Jaipur. If you would like to come along with me and do some more of these wonderful things, please get in contact with the Colouricious website, or you can contact me as well with any other things that you would like to know about. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope to see you again sometime. Take care. Bye-bye.